guys, it's TyTianna Unique back with another video. So today is Wine Wednesday. As you can see, I have my glass of wine right here. It's Stella Rosa Peach with another wine, I don't even know. And yeah, so we're just gonna do a life update, Tati, where you've been at type of video today. Yeah, I've really been looking like a grown woman. I've been feeling like it too. Feeling like it, looking like it. I am one, okay? My makeup has been getting tremendously better. Yes, okay? So yeah, what's been new with TyTianna? So I graduated from the University of Illinois at Springfield with my Bachelor's of Business Administration, also known as Big Boss Affairs. I had an emphasis on marketing, management, and a minor in communications. And yeah, it was a journey, and it's kind of bittersweet just because undergrad was a time to live for. I really wish I would have done a lot more than what I did, even though I did a lot. Yeah, because it's a lot of memories that I wish I had made, especially like freshman year. I wish I wasn't so in the box and so quiet and stuff. I really didn't start really having fun until like my junior year. But yeah. So I finally got my degree in the mail and I'm so excited, y'all. Like, this is what really made it official. This is the most expensive thing that I've ever bought, and it really didn't hit me until I got this piece of paper, because I had finally read it. I've never read a degree before. Like, you know, people always post it online and social media and stuff like that, but I never really took the time out to read it. And so the other day I did, and I was just like, oh my God, I almost cried. Woo! Okay, I'm gonna read it for y'all. It says, by authority of the Board of Trustees of the University of Illinois and upon recommendation of the Senate at Springfield, TyTianna, my name, has been admitted to the degree of Bachelor of Business Administration and is entitled to all rights and honors thereto appertaining, witness the seal of the university and the signatures of its officers, this 25th day of July, 2020. Then I got all my little fancy signatures and stuff like that. But yes, y'all, it is official. I am a college graduate of the University of Illinois. Yeah, which leads me to my next update. I am in grad school. I decided to go back just because I don't know, with this whole pandemic, I don't want to say a lot of stuff been lenient, but as far as like them extra tests like the GMAT and stuff, I did not have to take this year, so I took advantage of all those opportunities, because that stuff really piles up. It's really expensive and I don't have time for that. Sometimes I do wish I would have went with my first mind and took my break that I wanted to take, but the track that I'm on is just telling me that I can do anything that I put my mind to, honestly. It's been very challenging. Just like, I have my finals because I'm on the accelerated program track, so basically I have 2 classes every 8 weeks, and 8 weeks with 16 weeks of stuff merged. It's really time consuming, and even though like you're not in class 100% of the time, or well, you're not gonna be in class anyway because of the virus, but even though I'm not in class all of the time, or I don't have like assignments all of the time, this stuff really takes over the whole entire day. Like, Jesus. It's like I'm always constantly thinking about, oh my God, I got something to do. It's crazy. But yeah, I decided to pursue and obtain my MBA. So I got my BBA, and now I just want my MBA. I think I'm gonna continue with marketing, and as far as like the strategic planning and communication side though. Yeah, I feel like I'll be really good in that program. Other than that, yeah, your girl is stressed about school. On top of that, I am also interning for the Illinois Senate. I won't go into too much detail about like what I'm doing, just because I don't want this to interfere with anything that I got going on. But yeah, I am an intern for the Illinois Senate, and it's kind of a lot, but at the same time, like, I honestly see it all as growth. Like, honestly, you can't do anything till you can't reach your full potential until you've been challenged, essentially. So I'm taking everything one day at a time. I used to always be so intrigued with, not even intrigued, but just so obsessed with my future, like, that I would never take a moment and just think about and process what's going on in the present times. And honestly, like I just said, I'm taking everything day by day now, and it's making me better, kind of, just because I know that things happen, and I'm realizing that everything happens for a reason. So if there's any mishaps or any inconveniences in your life, it's all a part of life, and you know, you're just supposed to take it, embrace it, and move on. I also got a couple of tattoos that I wanted to show you guys. So starting with my arm, I had this elephant in December 2019, and I've been wanting to add on it. I really wanted it. I kind of want some more, like, I honestly don't know, but I think I want a sleeve. But because it's really growing on me. But all right, let me get it. There we go. Okay. So then I got this butterfly that's flying, and then it says Luke 137, and then a big butterfly, and that's the big wrist tattoo. And yes, I know what Luke 137 is. For with God, nothing shall be impossible. Or in my terms, I just say, with God, everything is possible. That's how I interpret it. A couple of my videos, I don't know if you guys saw it or not, but I did have a small heart right here. But I think that was 2018 tattoo, because I got that tattoo in December 2018, and that was my very first tattoo. But like I said, I'm in a new phase in my life, a new chapter, and so I got a butterfly right here. And then last but not least, I got a butterfly. Well, 3 butterflies on my ankle going up my leg, and I think that is so cute, y'all. I know somebody's gonna ask, what's the significance of butterflies to TyTianna? And basically, it's just about evolving, growth, you know. Change is inevitable, so just take it and fly. Hopefully it's beautiful, you know. So yeah, that's it. Well, my wine is gone, so that means that this is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for catching up with me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.